Hello everybody, Luke here from LockedOn, and I'm really excited to be bringing you some updates to our hit list function. Since all the new restrictions have been enforced, the team at LockedOn was thinking, what is the most valuable thing that agents can be doing with their account right now? And there has never been a more important time to have a database. Right now, we need to be focused on coming out the other end. The new functions that we have inside the hit list are going to allow you to isolate your most important people, start cleaning that data, and connecting with people with positive messages. You'll now have the ability to save a list, start calling or cleaning that list, and then be able to return to that. Now, there's many different things you can do. You could start a whole list for your whole database and say, I want to connect and make sure that everyone's clean. But a lot of you are going to have your own very specific categories or groups of properties that you need to be connecting with that are high importance to you. The new functions to the hit list are going to allow you to make the most of this time in isolation. So go to www.LockedOn.tv, search for the version 2 playlist, and make sure you watch the latest movie on the updates to our hit list function. From my family to yours, guys, and from all the team at LockedOn, we hope you're staying safe, and we look forward to this all being over, going back to normal, but we're also excited to bring you more and more features to help you get through this time. If you ever need any assistance, please reach out to the team. You have the chat button inside the app, and you can also reach us at support@lockedon.com. All the best, guys.